Ayo, ayo, ayo. I don't know what kind of voice that was, but I guess that's what we're doing today. So, yeah, I'm back with another stream, and we're
We're
gonna
going to
pick
pick
up.
up where I left off in the last stream. So if you're just joining me for the first time, welcome to the boring stream. And my name is Key, and you're watching Primitive on YouTube. Just a quick thing. So I finally got my website URL working for this channel. And I want to quickly show you.
So, if you go to primitive.com, it will take you to my link tree. It's a really simple setup. In fact, maybe I should do like a tutorial for it. Um, but it was actually really simple to set up. I just literally made a GitHub repo that I set up as a continuous integration for Netlify, and oh, that's not the right one. It's this one right here. It is really bare bones. It's literally like just a Netlify configuration file that redirects to the place I want you to go to, and a basic index HTML page in case that doesn't work. So yeah, it's really simple to set up, and yeah. So this is where you can go if you want to learn more about the channel, more about me. I got my LinkedIn. The Instagram is yet to be utilized. I haven't utilized it yet, but it's there. Actually, it was an old account that I had built up some followers on that I just kind of ignored. I was gonna repurpose it so I could at least start off with 1,000 followers. Good little cheat the system. So I got that, and yeah, I'm gonna come back to this and keep this as like the main stop, for all things primitive related. At some point in the future, I will actually go through the effort of making an actual website um, that will serve this same purpose among other purposes. So I don't know why I just started peeling this orange, but now I feel like I have to commit to it because I don't want to have a half-peeled orange just on my desk. And that way you can get the awesome, awesome
Of
and
ASMR effect of me eating orange. I know nobody wants to hear a 35-year-old man chew on a piece of fruit, but it is YouTube after all, so somebody out there probably wants that. Okay, so anyways, the last time that I streamed, I was working on this project
right here. This is my my first lamp stack project. The lamp stack is Laravel, which is PHP, Apache for the web server that the Laravel app runs on, basically. The M stands for MySQL, and the P stands for Perl, which I am not doing at all in this project, at least. So I'm going to eventually have to learn Perl in order to be illuminated properly. So that'll probably be in my next project, unless I can find some way to make it a part of this one at the end at some point. We'll see. I like to get through my projects. In fact, I'm itching to get to some speed build projects. But let's see. Let's see what other people have to say. What do they say the lamp stack is? Oh, okay. They said Linux. Well, well, okay. Well, we're gonna say Laravel because dang, I ain't got no Linux. Well, you know what? Y'all just have to deal with it, okay? Y'all just have to deal with it. I'm not gonna go through the whole thing of getting a Linux operating system working right now. But the point for me really is just learning how to do PHP. That's kind of the point. And the fact that I'm using MySQL is because I have this thing called XAMPP. Um, so right here, Apache Friends. So it's a PHP development environment. It has all the stuff that you need to run a PHP application, basically, built in. So other than installing PHP, Compose, Laravel, and whatever extensions you want for your IDE, this is like the main thing that you need in addition to all that. So you could actually go and install MySQL and Apache and all that stuff separately, but doing it this way, it's already pre-configured. I don't know what deployment will look like, but we will cross that bridge when we get to it. I'm not sure if I'm going to deploy this app. If I do, I'm going to have to refactor it significantly to make for a multi-user login, or else there's going to be some weirdness when it comes to repositioning the icons of the desktop. Speaking of which, this is the app that we're making. So this is meant to be something like a desktop. It's not fully functional yet, but you can see here I can click these, I can double click these, and yeah. And they're basically windows. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add for the ability to increase the size of these windows so that they're just like real windows on an operating system. And yeah, some other stuff, like basically that line of stuff. I'm using Blade templates for the UI. And I'm a little concerned because I know this is going to be a very complicated file or a project. The file is already pretty long. But at some point, if I start having issues with Claude AI, which I'm using to help with this project, if I start having problems with it, then I'm probably going to switch over to using Windsurf and then just knock out a bunch of stuff using Cascade. I'm not above it. Okay, so let's pick up where we left off. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is make it where I can update the position update the position of the icons whenever they change, because right now the icon position is hard-coded. Well, not hard-coded, but it's saved in the database here. And whenever we refresh the app, everything resets. So I want to basically give them persistent locations, basically. Okay, so okay, so we need to go to Palm Controller here, and we need to make a new function to update the position. Oh, wait, do I? Oh, I have a Codium running. I need to disable this. I don't want your help. How do I snooze? Snooze. Okay, there you go. Yeah, I want to do this without Codium for a little bit, because my current goal is really just to learn, not to just build something, which I could do. So public. I wonder, there's something else that's helping me out here with the autocompletes, and it's not Codium. I don't know what it is, but it's giving me pretty, and I know I just literally turned it off. So what do I have installed? Oh, I haven't done Lisp in like, oh my God, like a year. Jesus. I haven't done Lisp in a long time. I don't think I need this one. Ooh, this orange is good. This was a good batch. Whatever batch this is. But sometimes I get oranges and sometimes they're not good. What could be giving me those autocompletes? Is it Intella? No, because that's like by default. Oh, and it's not even for PHP, so it's not that. Oh, I think it's this. Now let me ask myself, why am I resisting using this? The answer is because I'm worried that if I have something do the things for me, that I will not be paying attention to the syntax and will be rendered thus incapable of coding outside of receiving active help from AI. Okay, I mean, I don't know. The tool that this thing, it's not helping so much that it's like disturbing, like Codium or something, because its guesses are like sometimes okay. I'm going to leave it on for now. Yeah, I'm going to leave it on for now. Let's make sure it's not another thing. This orange is so good. Maybe it's this IntelliSense thing. Well, that's what they said I should be using, so. Yeah, I think I'm fine with it as long as it's not like writing a whole block of code for me. I do not like how the brackets are like on a separate line in PHP. It's so weird. So we're going to update the position X. So we're going to pull out the X from the request. And we're going to do the same thing with the Y coordinate as well. Ooh, excuse me. Don't come to my stream unless you want to hear me burp. Because you know I'm going to eat something and I'm going to drink some bubbly water and I'm going to be apologizing for it the whole time. Okay, so, and then at the end of all of this, I need to return response. JSON. When I eat my oranges, I always peel them into their individual layers, because that's what you're supposed to do. I'm pretty sure that's what the user manual says. Now, I'm not entirely sure how this actually is going to be hooking up to update these locations, to be honest. So it's not working quite yet. Okay. Yeah, I'm not quite sure. Oh, I need to run my live server too. Let's add the villain. Okay. I think this is not entirely correct. I'm gonna have to come back to this, but let me go ahead and add a new route. I don't know what this was telling me to do before, but we have to add a route first. And oh my god, this has so many files in it. This is crazy. So I need to go here and I need to add a new route. You know, I don't often use patch. Okay, put is the complete replacement patches the partial. Okay. Alright. That's wild. Because that is definitely not. Wait, did it? Oh, I didn't. Yeah, I broke it. Okay, so patch, and we're gonna set the URL for this /poems/ and then we need the actual poem here /position. Okay, poem. And then from the poem controller, we're going to use update position. I think that this syntax is weird. I mean, notwithstanding, it is PHP after all. Okay, so we go back to this here. We gotta update this now. Yeah, we gotta validate first, and then we gotta update. And first thing we have to validate is X. I don't know where my pipe, oh there it is. It's right next to my P. Pipe, new Eric. I'm still using my Moonlander split keyboard, so yeah. It is frequently an awkward, frequently awkward experience trying to remember where keys are, especially the ones that are particular to coding. That I don't really use for other things. Those are the ones that are the hardest to remember, of course. Okay, so both these need to be numeric. Oh yeah, trailing comma. We have all the terrible things in this one language. Required, semicolons, trailing commas, variables signified by a $. This is a lot, y'all. Okay. Let me not complain too much. Not that bad, actually. Okay, so we have validated. Cool. Okay. And then we have the update. And instead of this, what we're going to do is we're going to use validate X and Y. And then we will return response of Jason Derulo. I don't think I quite understand every Oh, it can make a comment for me? Hey, okay, let's see what this does. Because you know I like me a comment above a function. That is quite nice. I mean, this doesn't help me out too much. That's fine. Update the position of a given poem. I don't need to refactor. Why won't it generate the comment for this one? Oh, because I already had a comment. I like that part. Now, I will take that. Because, ooh, child. That's one of my pieces of advice to my students is when you write functions and stuff, you please, for yourselves. Wait, did this break? Nope, this is not right. This is gonna return a view. How do I? Okay, so it needs to be this other type. Eliminate contracts. Which, where's my thing at? I have this off screen so I can see my keys. I need a backslash, which I think I rarely use. It needs to be contracts, view, okay. Man, these comments do look a little messy now that I've dedicated time to make them. You know, okay, so I think this is fine. This is good, I think. Now we need to go back to our, I don't want to call it a component, it's a blade template. And we need to update the stop dragging method or function. It's a function. And I don't know. I'm just gonna do it for the icons and then I'll worry about the actual pop-up windows later. Cause it might, yeah, I'll worry about the pop-up windows later on. So I need to update this right here. Okay, so I need to have an if condition. Oh wait, no, I got this backwards. This needs to be on the other one. I need to do this one down here. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I got confused for a second. And then we're gonna use Ajax. No, we're gonna use fetch to send my request. I don't know if Ajax is built in, but I'm not gonna use it. Okay, so dragging is false. We'll save our console log for somewhere at the end. My dog's getting into something back there. I hear him workshopping. Whenever my dog gets caught up in something, and I can see he's like dissolve his attention into the object of his focus, I call it workshopping, because he really gets down to business sometimes in things that he shouldn't be getting into. He'll be like aggressively sniffing, like, and I'm like, dude, calm down. What are you? Oh my god. Yeah, he is very, 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 very drawn into things. Like any puppy, I suppose. Okay, so we got our fetch here. Oh. Okay. There's some stuff here where I'm like, I don't know about this, but let's try it. There's a piece of this I'm going to copy, actually. So the method type is patch. I'm not even going to bother doing this myself. I'm just going to paste this in here. Don't tell nobody we did that. This is between us. Okay. Keep a secret. Okay, so then this looks like JavaScript. Oh, because it is. I thought, PHP's relationship to JavaScript is it's so weird. It's like you're doing PHP, but you're doing JavaScript inside of it. And you're doing PHP inside JavaScript. Am I the only person that thinks that that's a little weird? Well, Okay, so we got our dot then, and we need to get our response from the server. And then we're gonna dot min. We're gonna take that data and log. I need to take a break in a second and go check on my dog because he is really getting after. I think he's like scratching at his crate. So I'm gonna go check on him real quick. I should probably put something on the TV for him too. He really should be asleep. It's 11 o'clock. Okay, so let's see if this works. So we're gonna move this. I got an error. 194. Do I need that? Do I need this? Okay. I must. For something. Did I do something wrong? Let's check our URL. So poems, poem ID, position. Okay, so that is correct. Oh. Okay, we need to put a meta tag in the head. Sure. I guess. Okay. Oh, look at that. Okay, Okay, so the last thing before that is when the page first loads, it seems like it quickly loads the icons together, and then they pop to their correct place. I think I had an OR operator somewhere that was making it happen actually. Yeah. I thought this is what I have. Okay. Data X, position Y. Okay. I see here. There's this new style that it wants me to add. Let's see if this works, because I was having trouble with some of this interpolation stuff earlier. There we go. Look at that. Okay. So now these still are going to open in the correct place. I don't know what the correct place for the windows is, to be honest. I don't want the windows to have like their own. I guess I can make it where the windows have a default place where they pop up. I'm not gonna worry about it too much for now, though. I think this should be up top, right in the middle. I think this is all doing too much. I think I got what I need. Okay. So the next thing I need to do is add, manage the Z index. So right now there's no distinction, or there's a distinction between Z indexing, but I'm not in control of it. So I need to make it where, where these end up being layered. I also too feel like I need to add two new attributes to the database per poem, but I need to make it a X. And there needs to be an X and a Y for the icon and an X and a Y for the window. So those two things can be treated separately, basically. Because I actually do want to save the location of the windows. I feel like that would actually be a better way to do this. Yeah, to be able to save the location of the windows, that way they pop up and disappear. Okay, so I'm gonna take a break. When I come back in about 15 minutes, I'm going to take care of the Z indexing stuff, and then Z indexing window. I'm gonna modify the model to add a new y coordinate, XY coordinates for. I'm just gonna change. I'm just gonna do like a big refactor basically, and then I'm gonna add resizing for the windows too. Yeah, window sizing for the windows. That's also going to be another refactor of the model. So. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how it's all going to work together, but we'll see how it goes. As usual, let me show my face here. Don't go too far, but if you go anywhere, make sure you come on back, because this is where you belong at the Wolf Pack. See you in a bit. Give me like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Y'all thought I left y'all? Y'all thought I fell asleep? You trying to say I fell asleep? Because I did it. Okay. What did I do when I was gone? I went and checked out my dog, and I put some anime on. Just a whole movie. One of those like YouTube free anime movies. You know. So yes, a little something to keep them occupied in there. Then I went and laid on my couch and I started watching YouTube Reels, and then I didn't look at what time I actually started my break, so I don't know how long it's been. But I figured I'm probably late, so I'm done. Okay, so where were we? Okay, so my next step here is to manage the indexing stuff. Whatever window is clicked, I want it to become the foreground, basically. So that's my goal. So I'm going to go down to the JavaScript here is huge. It's very big. Let's format this. Okay. Okay, here we go, right here. Okay, so yeah, top C index. Yes. Okay. Cool. Yes. It's so smart. Okay. Hold on. Oh, Codium is. That's why. Go to sleep. Jeez. My mentor, one of my mentors, was telling me that he's been trying to keep up with like what companies are doing with AI stuff, and he's assured me last time we met, at least, that a lot of companies are slowly or quickly rather changing their feelings about the use of AI in the work environment with coding. But I don't know. I mean, I'm actually not like against using AI. You're gonna see here very quickly. I'm not against using AI to increase productivity. Oh, I actually more or less plan to become a maximalist at some point maybe not like an extreme maximalist, but yeah, I definitely intend on you know, treating it like a full-fledged part of my process at some point here shortly. I just feel like there's a difference between learning and productivity. At least when I'm like learning a new language, I don't think it's fair to myself to just literally sit there and treat the AI bot like the activity. I need to get like some 4-arm rests for my desk or something. Okay, so mouse down. So whatever window, so every window is going to have access to utilizing this bring window to front, which will change their okay. And then if I go to up here, icon.event listener, double click. Where did I put that? Here we go. So bring window to front. So now they switch places. Cool. All right. I haven't done a commit in a while, so let's go ahead and do a commit. I've been slacking on that. I don't even know what I've done since the last commit. Windows, cons, save, wait, git commit. Okay. There was something I said I was going to do when I was. Oh, see, I don't think I enjoy this being in front of. Yeah, I'm going to have to find a way to make it where the windows are always behind. I think I might have to make the Z index of this menu bar always one greater than whatever the highest. Yeah. So we'll do it right here. So document element by ID. I don't know why I have the class and the ID in there, but it's fine. Element by ID. Dot style dot z index. We'll make that equal to top z index plus 1. I think that'll work. Let's see. It looks like when I do this, it's thinking it's also registering this as a highlight of things, I'm noticing, which I don't want. So let's see. Okay, so the next thing I want to do, I want to make it where when these are open and closed, they stay in their most recently opened position. So we have icon underscore position x. I don't know why, I've always been very fascinated with the idea of an operating system that is in the browser. I think I saw a project where someone had created Windows 95 in the browser, and I was always like, just like, how does someone do that? Okay, so I'm gonna have to refactor my data model, which shouldn't be too big of a deal. I'm just adding 2 columns, and I'm changing the name of these existing columns, basically. So we're making a new migration, essentially. So PHP artisan make migration add. I'm gonna make this my last thing for the night, and then I gotta go. I gotta go to bed. I have to go to a important event tomorrow here in the Twin Cities through a leadership program I'm enrolled in. Okay, so we need a new migration here. Ugh. Yeah, so that's my new migration. And I'm gonna have to update this. So we're gonna rename existing column, then we're gonna add a new, okay. Yeah, it's gonna be quite a bit of work, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, give me just 1 second, I forgot to do something. So let's go ahead and knock this out. So on the poems table, so right here, schema, and this schema, oh wait, nope, that's already there. Okay, so we're gonna rename so we got to do this one also for the Y as well. I need a better chair. Now, one of the things that's annoying on an actual operating system desktop is that you can have a window that is like so inconveniently off the screen partially where you can't actually move it. So I probably need to have some type of reset button, but that's for later. But I know that that's the thing that always annoys me. And it's happened before for sure. Not so much on the Mac, but definitely when I was using PC. Okay, so this will be how we reverse changes. Should I just be like a cowboy and not do this? Say screw it. I'm gonna do that. Sorry, I was texting somebody. Okay. And then we'll do this for the Y as well. Okay, I think that's it for this. And then we need to go to the poem model here. And we need to add, oh, we need to change this. I'm just like, I know I'm gonna make a typo. I know I'm gonna make a typo somewhere. Why y'all do me like this? Let's see, let's make sure these are all. Okay. Okay, I think we're good actually. Ugh, the stress. Okay. And then in the poem controller, this is going to be update window position. Let's make this one called icon position, and we'll go to, where'd it go? Route. Okay. Okay, so update window position. And this will also have the same return type. Oops. Oh wait, is this? Oh, this is automatically. Oh, it's automatically done for me. Okay. Yes. I don't like how it's like, let me help you by giving you the curly braces and whatnot, but it doesn't fully do it. What kind of help is that? Okay, validated. Sure. Okay, so validated. And then we'll do X. I feel like one thing I need to, oh, okay, I have another button for that. Okay, I have two equal buttons on my keyboard layout, and I keep using the one that's like not convenient. And my pipe is here, numeric. Y. hard numeric, and then lovely old friend trailing comma, because you know we have to be terrible, I guess. Why is this complaining? Unexpected token. It's because my semicolon's busy. Okay, so Palm. Thank you. Window. Position. X. X. Okay, so we got those, and then lastly, I think it's just going to be the same thing as this. Oh, did it? Wait. Oh, for my semicolon. Okay, so I think that's good. Now we need to go to our thing here, add a new route, which is basically going to be very similar to this one. So I can just kind of steal that one. Let's call this first one icon position, and then this one window position. Update window position. Okay, and then I gotta go back to my blade, my balade. That. Okay, and then we gotta update the place where it's actually using these. So this is the window right here. I gotta make this icon, and this one icon. Did I break it? I think I broke it. What did I do? Oh, loud. What did I do? Don't tell me I broke it again. You know, apparently it's been broken the whole time. Okay. What is generating CSS? Yeah, something's not liking that. This was tripping me up earlier, so I guess it doesn't break anything because this is syntactically okay. How to handle this? Install the styling extension at the following. Oh man, I don't want to do all of this. Okay. In your project root. Okay, let's try that. It's at style lint RC. And then we need the style lint. I don't know what this has to do with what I'm doing here, but I don't think this has anything to do with what I'm doing here. What do I have for CSS? Did that fix it? Did I break something? I don't know if I broke something or fixed something. Probably did a little bit of both. Okay, didn't fix it. I need those two. Oh, so there is a okay. That didn't really change anything. that still work? I never heard of the binding thing. I'm not using view. Does this one work? Nope. We can try it like this. Okay. Looks like that kind of works. Okay, so So next thing we need to do is update the window class window. So we gotta add some more basically. And we'll try to do the binding thing again. Oh, live server is not running. Oh, okay, so it actually doesn't like me doing that. Okay. Yeah. Doesn't like that. I'm just gonna let it do what it do. For now, as long as it works. I can fix this up a little bit. Okay, so, oh, this is a mess. Oh, child, this is a mess. Let's fix this up here. Okay, so we're gonna do the similar thing in here. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and snatch this code into here. This is just all the fetch code. Okay. Okay, so now I have to actually migrate this. Do I have an error? Oh, yeah, so it's okay. I think we're good. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so locations are not being updated. Let's see if the window one works. Okay. In Advanced tab here, you can add more things to context. So we can add a web PHP. We can also add Palm controller. So something is not working with the so it is sending. Okay, so that is fixed. Now, true test. Nope, that did not work. What am I messing up here? Window position X, window position Y. So Update window position. I think what I have is the same. Did I just delete my conversation? Okay, I did something I wasn't supposed to do. We'll go to the stop dragging for the window. Okay, I'm gonna take a break and I'm gonna come back and try to debug this some more. I'm not quite sure what I'm doing wrong here, but okay, yeah, I'm gonna take a break and then when I come back, I'm gonna debug this. I'll see you in like 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm back and I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try to open up this project in Windsurf. And where's these colors? Yeah, I'm gonna try to do this in Windsurf. I just want to see if Windsurf can help me identify the issue. If I can find the dang project. Here it is. Okay. I'm just gonna do it in chat. Oh man, the hummus and chips I had was bussin'. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna steal this. This is very, very jerry-rigged, like Jerry Curl level of jerry-riggedness. But yeah, that makes a lot of sense. I have it hard-coded for it to open here. But did not copy it correctly. Well, if this works, I'm gonna get off of here because I'm tired. It's almost 1. I'm up way too late. Okay, cool. Okay. So that's not working. Woot woot. Okay. Let's go ahead and save this. Let's go ahead and save this. We don't need Windsurf anymore. I do like the fact that it can completely independently look at the full project and even some stuff outside of the project directory. It's so nice. Okay, So I need to resolve the issue of it wanting to highlight whenever I'm dragging and dropping. Not quite sure how that will be done, but that is another problem for another day. I also want to make it where if my viewport is small, that it will kind of keep everything in the field of view, but that's a problem for later. The icons also need to do the Z indexing thing, I think. But yeah, I'll worry about these things later on, and I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here. I'm tired.
So thanks for coming by the stream. Um, woo, two today. It's a good amount. Um, if I stream tomorrow, it'll be tomorrow night because I got something to do in the daytime. So, with that being said, don't go too far. But if you go anywhere, make sure you always make your way back to here, to the wolf pack where you belong. Okay, I'll be here. My name is Key. This is Primitive. Peace.
If you're still here, go down to the description, click that survey link, and let me know what you think and what you need from this channel. That survey is intended to improve the quality of my content by getting to know you all better. So it'll only take about, I don't know, 10 seconds to fill out the survey, and I'd greatly appreciate it. You'd be helping me as well as all the other viewers and audience members of this YouTube channel. Thanks ahead of time.